Hello everybody, my name is Kenneth. You technically know I'm Kenneth. So today I'm gonna introduce my toy that I make that has 200 pages. Not like 200 pages, but there are 200 steps. And I made this one. It's very cool. And I have the people inside, and here's one people. And I have these cones. Whoa. Now I'll pick them up later. This cone. Do you know what this cone is? Do you know that when they fix the roads, they will put on this?
Oh.
So this is like, something that tells you don't come inside this place.
Okay. For safety reason.
Yeah. And this thingy is very cool because look at him. He can went up and he can look down. And this thing can open to the end, open to the end.
Mm-hmm.
And the special part is it can, when it goes here, it can go like this.
Mm-hmm.
And when I turn it, it will go anything where the head goes. This took like when I was little, I made this, but just a little, but just half pages. And I waited for like 2 years, and now I made it.
It
Yeah.
takes how long?
Like 1 week, I don't know.
2 hours?
I don't know. But I do this kind of quickly because I have Legos in my house.
Okay.
And I have a lot of them. Let me tell you. I don't know how, but I got more things, and I don't know what to do. I thought when I was small, I forgot to do those steps. So I do it by myself and act my own imaginations and put those, and it's not clearly the same as this picture. Look, it has this one, but I don't have this one.
Okay.
And this is not the same. This thing is not the same as this thing. And I don't have this one. I don't have 2 lights here. But that is fine. Because if you use your imaginations, that's better. Because your imagination will create lots of things. Like I create my own imagination. And I add a metal here. Because always, I don't know how it keeps going down. But
It's not even, right?
yeah. And when I make this, you must be clearly sure you're on the same thingy, and thingy. And and the same side, the same thingy, and the same box, and the same people, and the same, because one time I got all messed up. Then my mom taught me, and she got in the wrong one.
Sorry.
So, I'm done. Thank you everybody for listening. Goodbye.